here it is. It's time to go trick-or-treating. Ooh, look at that house. It looks scary. We'll go knock on this one first. Oh, I see a kitty. And I see a green egg for me. Oh, close one. Nice catch, Rocky. Oh, look, it's a green egg. All right, Chase, your turn. Ah! Oh my God! Achoo! Oh, I'm allergic to cats. I'm allergic to cats. Thank you, kitty. I'm gonna take this blue egg. Nice egg, Chase. Rubble's on the double. I want to get this yellow egg. Oh, here comes somebody. Oh, don't be mad. Thanks for the yellow egg. Zuma, I'm so scared. Don't worry, Marshall. I'll protect you. Come on, we'll both go together. Okay. All right, here I go. Trick or treat. It's Chocolata. Hey, Chocolata. Do you have a treat for us? It's way up in the roof. What is it? It's a red egg. Thanks, Chocolata. Oh, I feel so much better knowing it's just Chocolata. Okay, Chocolata, what about me? It's an orange egg. Perfect, just for Zuma. Here we go. All right, who's ready to open up their surprise eggs for trick-or-treat? Well, what do you know? It's M&Ms. Let's count in fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 orange M&Ms. All right, Zuma, matches you two perfectly. It's Rubble's turn. What's inside his yellow egg? It's yellow M&Ms. Let's count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 yellow M&Ms. All right, Chase. What's in your blue egg? It's blue M&Ms. Let's count in fives again. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 blue M&Ms. All right, Zuma, and your green egg. It's green M&Ms. Again, let's count in fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 green M&Ms for Rocky. Okay, Marshall, let's open up your red egg. It's red M&Ms. Again, let's count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 red M&Ms. Let's count total together. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 M&Ms. Thank you so much for watching, Tense Kid. Have a safe Halloween. And don't forget to subscribe.